BST, given the root node of a binary size 3 and two integers low and high. Return the sum of values of all nodes with a value in the inclusive range from low to high. So we have this example here. So we see that our root, the low is 7, high is 15, and our output is 32, because it says that these numbers 7, 10, 15 are between the low and the high. So equals to, so this, in this case, it will equals to or greater than this, and here it will be less than or equals to the high. So we add all the numbers that fall within the range, and we get 32. So that's our output. And here it's a larger 3, but same concept. Numbers from the less than, no, greater than or equals to 6, and less than or equals to 10. So this is a BST problem. So let's recursively, DFS recursively solve it. DFS node. Let's make our case. So if node is none, return none. No, 0. So now we're going to check if the value, so if so if it's between node val low and high, forgot to make our total sum, initialize it to 0. So total sum equals to no, the val. If no, the val is less, no, the val is greater than not the val, greater than low, let's total sum and then add the recursive DFS, the node that left. If node var is less than high in the 3, so total, so this means we're gonna explore the left 3. So total sum plus add DFS node dot right. So now we're going to go through the left sub 3. So return total sum. So now we're going to do so now we're going to move outside the loop and return DFS root. And that's it, it's been accepted. And our time and space complexity, time complexity is of n worst case unbalanced 3 and O of log n base case balanced 3. So let's submit to see if it's going to pass all cases, and it's been able to pass all cases. And let's analyze the runtime of n in the worst case, of log n in the best case, of h the depth, space complexity, or h. And that's it for this problem.